Step Up on 5th uses a subsurface infiltration system to manage stormwater runoff. This system collects 100% of precipitation and stormwater and treats it before being returned to groundwater. This is necessary to reduce pollutants and the overall footprint of the building. This is a system that is similar to the one used at Step Up on 5th. Because of the density, rainwater had to be dealt with on the subsurface level. The water passes through bioretention soil, a gravel bed, and finally native soil, before being returned to groundwater. Step Up on 5th also incorporates geotextile fabric as a fourth filter barrier. Due to the density of the site, designers were unable to equip the building with a wastewater recycling system. Instead, the focus was directed towards water usage efficiency and low-impact development practices.